What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Finn Silva. This is LH TV, local happenings. Today's video is a vlogging video showing you our farm village tour. Guys, kindly consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Let us know what you think about this video. From here we normally do mixed crop farming, so you can see banana, beans, you can see kales behind there, and also we do plant neighbor grass, guys. So behind there you can see neighbor grass and also some trees. These trees, they prevent strong winds which may plague the bananas when they are establishing, or when they have already produced the banana. Guys, these are beans, and these beans we have planted them in lines so that we can be able to weed, and when somebody is spraying the pesticides, he can be able to move freely. So these are bananas. We have already harvested one here, and you can see there, this is still remaining. Now we are going to bring it and take it to the cows to feed. This one has already come out a few months ago. It was flowering, now it has become a fruit, guys. You can see the beans are doing well. They have already flowered. They are now having the beans themselves. You can see guys, these are the beans. They are not ready to harvest, but they are still the process of maturing. Another banana fruits are here. This is how they come out after they have already established, and then because these ones are not heavy, no need for propping. Propping is when we place some piece of wood here to support so that it cannot break. This method of supporting the banana is called propping. It is used to prevent the this banana stalk here from breaking because of the heavy weight of this banana stalk. Let me show you the other side of the farm. So behind there you can see those are beans and maize planted 2 weeks ago. They have already established, so they are doing well. Yeah, a few weeks coming, we are waiting. So in our farm here we tend to plant so many crops all combined. We have beans, bananas, we have cassava over there. This is cassava, and we have also some maize over there. That is maize. So we tend to do this because if the beans fails to produce, we use bananas as food. If the bananas fail, the beans are there and the maize are there. So guys, let me show you our small kitchen farm where we get our vegetables. Others call them veggies, but we normally call it vegetables. This is our kitchen farm. These are kales. These are managu. In our local language we call them rinagu. Yeah. So guys, in our farm also we have pandania. This is a form of food flavor which is put in when you are cooking chicken, beef, pork. You put this one to add flavor or taste to the meal. So in our farm here we have a variety of vegetables. So we have managu, we have nightshade, we have mawiki. Guys, as you are watching the video, kindly like, share and subscribe. And I want to thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate. I don't take that one for granted. So guys, behind me we have another type of sweet banana. It looks like the banana, but it grows tall, but the taste is different. The banana fruit is different, but it is a sweet banana. How tall it grows, and it has a very strong banana stalk. It does not break. Even if it produces a big fruit, it does not break. The good thing about agriculture or farming, you can, like for example the banana behind me, you can use it in many ways. If it fails to produce the banana, you can cut it down, maybe take it to use the banana stalk and the banana leaves, feed to the animals, and later on the cow will produce milk. That is the importance, all the good thing about agriculture. Another thing I could say, the importance of the banana, you can cook it. If you cannot cook it, you can keep it somewhere where there is warmth, cover it well, and it will ripen, and use it as food. You can consume it at home, or you can sell it to people, and maybe be a form of business, and by so doing you could have made some few coins. The disadvantages of planting too much banana is because it attracts more underground parasites. Let me show you. For example, this is a banana. It was tall, but now the underground parasites, I don't know the name. These are underground parasites which they fed on the roots of the banana plant, and now it fall down. It is drying up. Now the disadvantage. Now the good thing about village life, after getting your vegetables from here, after getting your onions, you pass by this avocado tree. You walk around, you will find an avocado fruit which has fallen down. It may be ripe or it is yet to ripe. You go prepare your vegetables, make your meal, and you enjoy. In our farm we also have maize. We have planted maize. It is about to be ready for harvest. After what I have shown you guys, our mission was to pick kales. Kales are the common vegetables used here in our countryside and any part of the country, Kenya. So we are heading home. I have shown you our farm. You have seen our farm. You have enjoyed it. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. So guys, we are heading home. So that blue house is our home. The red one is my grandmother's place. These are our cows. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. This was a random video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe till we meet in our next vlog. Goodbye.